Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues. Please subscribe to our channel. People always ask about child protective services. Do I have to talk to CPS? Do I have to let them into my home? Do I have to do all these things? Do I have to cooperate with them? Well, I suppose a person can always take the position that the CPS comes knocking on the door, you're not letting them in. You're not talking to them. You're not producing the child. You're not cooperating in any way. You have the right to do that. But you have the right to do that with the court, too. You have the right to do that with the police. You can always refuse to cooperate. But the question is that what is the sanction and what is the result of your lack of cooperation? Because remember, we live in a free society. You have the right to say no if you want to. But don't think there's no consequence. There is always a consequence. You want to exercise your freedom of speech, for example, and call the judge a jerk, you have the right to do that. But you know what? If you do that, don't think it won't impact you, or don't think the court might not feel that a contempt sentence would be appropriate for you. And you can say, well, I have freedom of speech. Yeah, you do. You have the right to say it. No one will stop you from saying it. But if you say it, there may be a consequence. Similarly, you can tell CPS, I'm slamming the door in your face, I'm not cooperating, I'm not letting you come in to do a check on my home to see if it's suitable. You have every right to do that. But the problem is, if you do it, what do you think will happen? They're going to presume that you got something going on there that renders you unsuitable to have custody of your kid, and they're going to recommend otherwise and take that child away. They're going to do certain things based on your lack of cooperation. The better approach is have your house in order, do what you've got to do, and then cooperate to the extent that they require. If they have questions, answer them. They want to see your house, show them your house. The worst thing you can do is create a false impression that you're somehow doing something illegal when you're not even doing that. In other words, here's the bottom line. If there's a reason to not cooperate with them, if they come there every week snooping and it's nothing more than a fishing expedition, I get it. At some point in time, everybody has a limit. Don't cooperate with them. But if they come the first time because they're doing a visit because there's been a complaint that you don't have a suitable home, you don't have food in your fridge, your house is a pigsty, your house is a hazard, if they come there with that and you don't let them in, that would be a mistake. Let them in. Let them see how beautiful your home is and that you've got every type of Campbell's soup in your pantry and you've got the fridge filled with beautiful, wholesome food. Let them see that, because then they're going to turn to the other person. They're going to say, stop wasting our time. This guy's fine. So you can work that to your advantage. But remember one thing, non-cooperation, especially in the court system, usually does not work to your advantage. If you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.